Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 burner gas grill available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Royal Gourmet Burner Gas Grill. Abundant cooking space. 471 square in. Of porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates and 169 square in. Of chrome-plated steel warming rack make up total of 640 cooking space, which is suitable for an 8 to 10 gathering. Porcelain enameled cooking grates. Primary cooking area adopts sturdy porcelain enameled cast iron material which has superior heat retention to deliver heat to foods. It's very easy to clean, which can save your efforts. 2 side prep tables. 2 sturdy side tables bring convenience by offering extra space for holding a variety of items. You can place tools, seasonings, or plates full of meat on the table while cooking. Stainless steel burners. 4 powerful stainless steel tube burners generate 40,000 BTU totally and provide a wide temperature range with precise control to make your grilling to perfection. Grease management system. Protect your grill and make it easier to clean by removable grease tray and grease cup. They are designed to collect residues and drippings while grilling. Flame tamers. The covered flame tamers are designed to distribute heat evenly to the whole grilling space, protect burners from drippings, and prevent flare-ups as well. Number 4. Cuisinart Burner Gas Grill. Extra large cooking area. The Cuisinart 4-burner gas grill is made for those who take grilling seriously. The generous cast iron cooking grate retains heat longer and radiates it more evenly than a wire grate. It has 443 square inches of cooking space and a warming rack with an additional 167 square inches, for a total of 610 square inches cooking space. A convenient warming rack. The warming rack of the grill is a great feature that helps manage timing by keeping cooked foods warm while other foods finish cooking. It's a great place to keep grilled vegetables warm, or for placing hamburger and hot dog buns, focaccia, and other breads so that they absorb the delicious smoky flavors of the grill as they toast. More control over the heat. The 4 stainless steel burners of the Cuisinart 4-burner gas grill give you maximum control over the heat. You can keep the temperature in one area warm and another area sizzling hot. Cook delicate foods like shrimp and fish to perfection, or move meats that are fully cooked from the hot side of the grill to the warm side so they can rest. Twist start ignition. There's no need to look for matches or lighters when you're ready to grill. Each burner lights independently with a simple twist of the control knob. Each knob gives accurate control of the flames, from high heat to a low simmer, which is a convenience that offers more flexibility in the variety of food that can be cooked on the grill. Heavy-duty cart with wheels. The Cuisinart 4-burner gas grill can be used on any flat, stable surface. The heavy-duty enameled steel cart supports the grill at the ideal height, and includes wheels so it can be moved to any location in or out of the sun, shade, or wherever the conditions are best for grilling. Number 3. Blackstone Burner Gas Grill. Rear grease. Blackstone has updated the grease management on this unit. All units now have the newly improved rear grease management. You may receive a rear grease or a front grease drain. Replace your standard grill. Replace your grill or barbecue with a Blackstone griddle and never look back. This grill is simple to use and easy to assemble, so you'll be cooking in no time. Eliminate the hassle of kerosene, charcoal, and matches. This grill includes an easy start, battery-powered push-button ignition. With the simple push of a button, your griddle is ready to go. Take the headache away from outdoor cooking and spend more time enjoying the outdoors. Restaurant-style cooking. With 720 sq inches of flat-top grilling, this griddle is perfect for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Cook eggs, pancakes, quesadillas, grilled cheese, steak, potatoes, teppanyaki-style foods, and more. Also enjoy a bottom shelf and 2 side shelves for food storage and prep. Controllable heat zones. For independently controlled 15,000 BTU stainless steel burners make a total of 60,000 BTUs controlled low to high for versatile cooking options. Propane fueled by a standard 20 pounds tank with an accommodating tank storage tucked nicely under the left side shelf. Durability and longevity. This Blackstone grill is built to last with a powder-coated black steel frame, stainless steel burners and thick cold-rolled steel cooktop. Super simple to clean, making post-meal cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Charbroil Burner Gas Grill. 435 square inches of cooking space on durable porcelain-coated, cast iron grates plus a 130 square inch swing-away warming rack ideal for sides and buns. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates offer superior heat retention and are rust-resistant. Main cooking surface measures 24.5 inches wide x 17.1 inches deep and provides ample cooking space for about 24 burgers, while the warming rack measures 21.6 inches wide x 6 inches deep and includes the Chef's Delight tray for greater grilling versatility. Exclusive stainless steel finish for increased style and durability with LED illuminated control knobs for ambient light and sophistication. The two-door cabinet design offers storage space for not only the propane tank, but grilling tools and accessories as well. Electronic ignition for fast and reliable burner lighting at the push of a button. Convenient stainless steel side shelves offer added work and prep space, and are gear tracks enabled for a custom setup. Features a 10,000 BTU lidded side burner ideal for sauces and sides or boiling water. When the side burner is not in use, the lid folds down to provide additional work or prep space. Lid-mounted temperature gauge to easily monitor the inside temperature of your grill without opening the lid. Also features an easy-to-access, durable porcelain-coated grease pan which can be removed for cleaning or rinsing. Simplified design with standardized hardware for quick and easy assembly. Sits on 4 heavy-duty casters for easy mobility around your deck or patio. Number 1. Kenmore Burner Gas Grill. Total 30,000 BTUs of cooking power. Each of the 3 grill burners on this Kenmore Barbecue Liquid Propane Gas Grill carries a rating of 10,000 BTUs. More than enough cooking power for any backyard, deck, or patio barbecue. Combined 512 square inches of cooking space. This outdoor barbecue grill features 381 square inches of primary cooking surface and 131 square inches for use as a warming rack or slow-cooking secondary surface. Folding side shelves. Makes this portable propane grill compact and easy to store when not in use or when space is limited. Grill tool holder. Convenient for hanging your barbecue grill accessories, spatula, fork, tongs, in between grilling. Reduces mess and less clutter in your grilling space. Built-in heat thermometer. Monitor the temperature of the grill when the lid is closed to ensure the safe cooking of your meat and/or seafood. Electronic igniter. Start your grill with the push of a button. Portable gas grill. The 4 caster wheels on this Kenmore barbecue grill allows you to easily transport and move the grill as needed. 2 of the casters can swivel and can be set on lock position to keep the grill secure in your ideal spot.